How you doing? KerinRealty Education 101, and today's program is Down Payment Assistance Programs. How you guys doing? KerinRealty.
Hey, Rob DeJory, branch manager here at Freedom Mortgage in Tampa.
So today, very amazing, awesome topic. We are going to talk about down payment assistance programs for first-time home buyers.
That's right.
So I'm going to let Rob take the reins on this one. There's two amazing programs that they have to offer, and he's going to explain them to you for everyone that has questions about this.
So thanks, Karen. There are a lot of down payment assistance programs available. I like to focus, and we do here at Freedom, on two. These are the programs that are helping the most amount of people out today get into homes with assistance. Number one is the Florida Bond Program here in Hillsborough County. Number two is the Sapphire Program. That is a Freedom Mortgage exclusive program to us. The Florida Bond here in Hillsborough County offers first-time home buyers up to $15,000 towards the purchase of their new home. You do have to be, so let's talk a little bit about that program.
Okay, yes.
Some of the main requirements: you have to be a first-time home buyer. Definition of that means you can't own a home in the past 3 years. The second requirement is your credit score needs to be over a 640. This program also has income restrictions, so the funds are available because the county wants to help households that may not have access to savings. So this down payment assistance does help those households. So contact me if you'd like to know those income limits. It's right around $60,000 to $80,000 household income combined between a husband and wife.
So the good thing is too, is that how you said it, is that you could own a house 5 years ago,
yes,
and then yet you can still do it if you have been renting the last 3 years or whatever. So just because you've owned a house in the past doesn't mean you won't qualify for this program.
Right. You do have to take a homebuyer education class. Those are available online or in the classroom. Typically between $50 and $100. I can send you the locations and information on that. This program, I would say is designed for someone looking to buy a home in the $125,000 range to about $250,000. Okay, that's really where it works best. The loan is available for FHA loans, conventional loans, and VA loans or veterans loans. And we've been helping a lot of people here at Freedom Mortgage get into houses with $2,000 down, $5,000 due at closing, even $0 due at closing, because the $15,000 is such a huge benefit.
Yeah, that's true.
One caveat: it does come with a little higher interest rate, so you're not going to see the advertised billboard rates on this program. There's a slight premium for getting this type of assistance from the county.
It's still, if you're getting $15,000 up front, it's amazing.
Yeah.
The one question I do have a lot of people ask me is, do you have to own the home for a certain amount of time? Because I know there's a couple people that were first-time home buyers looking to buy investment property and wondering if it would work for them.
Great question. So the Florida Bond Program is forgivable after 5 years. So it's nice because when you close, you do not have any payments on the money that's gifted to you, the $15,000. It's zero interest, nothing's due. But every year you own the home, it's reduced 20%. So after 5 years, it's fully forgiven here in Hillsborough County.
So for the Florida bonds, if you have any questions on this whatsoever, contact Rob today. It's an amazing program. And then our second program
is called the Sapphire Program. This is a program that's exclusive to us here at Freedom Mortgage. This is a relatively newer program, so many might not have heard about it. What it is basically a grant program. So you are, by a nonprofit, granted up from 3 to 5% of basically the purchase price of the home. Okay, so this basically covers. This is only for FHA and VA loans.
Okay.
So it covers the down payment in a sense for an FHA loan or VA. VA doesn't really have a down payment, but FHA loan. What's nice is Karen can also maybe ask the seller to help contribute a little bit more towards closing costs, so it's very minimal out of pocket. The benefit of this program is you do not have to be a first-time home buyer.
Oh, that's great.
You do not have to take a class, okay? The other thing is the interest rates are better on this product. The money that's gifted also has 0 interest, has no payments, and actually it doesn't even get forgiven. It's never, you can sell the house the year after you move in and nothing's owed back.
So this is really good for veterans, very good, because I mean, you almost come to the table with no money whatsoever.
That's correct, yeah. It'll cover everything for veterans.
Okay. Now what about the credit score, the income, has that changed now?
So that's another benefit of the Sapphire program versus the bond, is that the Sapphire program, you just have to be eligible for an FHA approval or VA approval. So I can help a lot of people with lower than 640 credit scores obtain this product. It's best if you're above a 580, anywhere above 580. So yeah, that's where credit score probably needs to be.
So these are 2 programs that a lot of people don't really know too much about. There's not a lot of lenders that might have the education behind it or might not even have it to offer to buyers. So this is something that, pick up your phone, contact Rob, contact me. If you have any questions, take advantage of this today, because this is what might be stopping you from paying rent for the next year or 2, or actually owning a house, building up some principal, and having a retirement fund. So if you guys have any questions, again, I'm KerinRealty.
Rob DeJory here with Freedom Mortgage.
And follow us, we're going to be doing more videos, VA, conventional, FHA, and hope to see you guys soon.